Hello everyone, it's really good to see you here. So today we are going to solve a Leetcode problem which is spiral matrix. So here we have given a matrix of size m cross n and we have to return all the element of the matrix in spiral order. So let's see it. So here let's suppose we have given this matrix. Then the spiral form of this matrix could be like, firstly we go from here to here and then down, then leftwards, then upwards, then again rightwards. So something like this should be printed. So the output should be this: 1, 2, 3, then 6, 9, then 8, 7, 4, and 5. So this is what we have to result as our answer. So we have to store this in a vector and return that vector. So what's the technique which we are going to use here is that, let's suppose since we have to cover firstly a distance from left to right and then from top to bottom, so we are going to use this four pointers, let's suppose. So left and t should be initially 0 and right should be equal to the column size, and this should be equal to the row size. So like this we have initialize it. These are 0 initially. So what we do, for from L equal to 0 till R, what we do, we just print T of, so we just print this M of T is fixed, that is I is fixed, T is representing the top, and then we add M of Ti, that means these are all elements. And then from here what we do, we just make our top, like top is firstly here, now top come here, so we make top minus minus. And then what we do, from here to here, so starting from top till our bottom, what we do, from top to bottom, we just, so here you can see that now our j is fixed, so j is basically represented by r, so we are taking as like m of I into m of I r. So that means these all elements. So here I is ranging from left to right, here I is ranging from top to bottom, and after that we have to come in this direction. So now here we have to make our right minus minus. So while traversing here, we have to firstly check that if our top is less than our bottom or not, less than equal to our bottom or not. So if it is, then what we do, we just traverse from right till our left. So like m should be like here, what we have to do is, here you can see that here the ith value is constant, which is equals to b. So here m of b, and I is ranging from right till left. And then what we do, we just, so here when we reach here, we just make bottom plus plus. So here bottom should be plus plus, and also here it's not minus minus, it's plus plus, because firstly t is 0, then we are making it 1, and we are making r from here, it is going here in this direction, and bottom is going here in this direction. So that is from b equals to, let's suppose, given this is the r is basically representing the row number, so we minus it by 1. And after that what we do, we just traverse in this direction. So since this element we don't have to consider, 7 is already included in this traversal, from here to here we have to only traverse it. So what we do here, we check that if our left is less than equal to right or not. So if it is, then only we are going to do this traversal. So what we do, m of this is like from starting from b, we go till like I less like I greater than L. We are not going to include L because it is already included here. So what we do here, you can see that the jth value is fixed, so I is variable and j is basically represented by uh, it is basically left. And then what we do, we just make our left as plus plus. So this is the full iteration which we have to do throughout. So after that again we have to just come here, because our left is now here and our right is now, like, right is come from here to here. So basically now at the end we have to do the same traversal for this element, and we are going to get our answer. So this is how we like do the matrix spiral traversal. So let's dive into its coding part. So firstly, n is representing the row size, m is representing the column size, and then top and bottom are basically starting from this, basically starting from row 0 till row size. Left to right is basically starting from column 0 till column size. And then what we do, we just run a while loop till our top is less than equal to bottom and our left is less than equal to right. Firstly, we just make the traversal from left to right. So this is going from left to right, and then after doing that we just make our top plus plus, and then second traversal is from top to bottom, so top to bottom, and then we are making right minus minus, so right is here, right comes here. Now after that we are going from right till left. So uh, what we do, we just make our, so bottom is initially here, we just make bottom minus minus, so now bottom comes here. And then what we do, we check if left is less than equal to right, then we go upwards. So what we do here, we can see that right is here, left is right is here and left is here, so left is less than right, so we do this traversal. So what we do, we push back matrix I dot left. Left is at this position, so you can say that j is constant in this particular iteration, and then I is going from bottom, so bottom is now this, from starting from this till I is greater than L, so basically the fourth element only. And then we just make left plus plus, so now left goes here, so left is here and right is here. So in this case, this one is actually left is here and right is here, so in both the cases left is equal to right. So what we do, we just make a traversal, which is this, from bottom to bottom. So here 4 is printed actually, and after that for this we have to again go in this direction. So what we do, starting from left and less than equal to right, we have to push that element. So top is pointing at this position, and then our ith value is the left element, so this is basically this one. And then we just make top plus plus. So at this point, since top is like top become greater than bottom, so we come out of this while loop, and at the end we are going to return our v vector. So let's try to submit this out. So yeah, this is the solution for the problem spiral matrix, and if you want to access the code, then you can check the GitHub link given in the description. And before going, just do like, share and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.